Nothing in this world comes easy. Nothing at all in this world comes easy. You have to put in the work. If I want things to last long, you have to work hard. You have to work smart. You have to just put in the work. Because if you don't, you're not going to get the things that you want. Unless you go the easy road. And I don't thought and I doubt most people want to take the easy road. You know what I mean? I rather work hard for the things that I want to own or what I want to achieve. So that one day I can sit back and say, I truly put in the work for these things. And I did not take the short road for all the things that I earned. I think that is one of it's true that I believe that is truly one of the greatest feeling ever. To know that you worked very hard for the things that you own and you did not take the easy route to achieve it. Let me know what you think. Let's go.